what's going on, everybody? So in today's training, we're going to be going over how a complete beginner can make their first $1,000 with affiliate marketing. So I'm super excited about this training. I'm actually bringing in one of my students, and I'm really excited about today's training. I want to introduce Mandeep Kaur. How's it going?
Hi, how are you? How's everyone?
Go ahead, Mandeep. You go ahead and take it away, and I'm sure everyone's super excited for this training. So go ahead and do your thing.
So yeah, I'm living in Australia with my beautiful family, and I am full-time mom, and now I am making 5 figures every month, and just this is because of Freedom Breakthrough 2.0. So when we started, everyone's main struggle is how to promote, how to use social media, how to get the target audience, and how to find a content, how to grow. So this is our main things where we all start once we jump in the affiliate program in affiliate marketing. So main steps to get a high ticket sales. So in the beginning we all struggle to how we can get the high ticket sales. So first thing is mindset. I believe that if our mindset with the positive and the growth things, we can get success. So after that, stay consistent. Just stay consistent. Daily plan what you can do. Just make a list. Just do the things. I want to do this, and if it's not done, that's my day is not finished. So it should be like that. And after that, learning is more important. So yes, everyone wants money. We all love money, but no one want to learn the things. This is true. Once we started, it's not an overnight game. Mostly people say we invested in ourselves. How I will get the high ticket? We have to learn those things. I always say don't compare yourself with anyone. The reason is if she or he is doing more efforts, that we are lacking somewhere. And yeah, next one is social media, all the platforms. So we have to use social media platforms. We can't even miss one thing. The reason is the most popular thing is now is TikTok, because everywhere it's worldwide. So that means your video can hit someone, you can impress someone. So we have to use all the social medias, Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, YouTube. So we can post everywhere and stay active on social media. Which platform I am using? So I'm using like Facebook. So what I am doing on Facebook, I am posting 2 to 3 posts every day. So it can be video, it can be post, it can be my photo, and same one we have to share in the stories. If we are not sharing in the stories, I think we are not active. So on the TikTok also, I post 3 to 4 videos daily with the trending sounds, with the trending hashtags. So Instagram, it's the same, like I think TikTok and Instagram, we can post reels and main post and the stories also. So TikTok and Instagram, we can connect each other. So if we are having less than 1,000 followers on the TikTok, we can't use the link, which is we mentioned in the link in bio. And YouTube, I usually post the shorts with the hashtags and the same video whatever I am posting on TikTok. So I post one time in TikTok, like if I posted today now one video, then I'm gonna download it, post in Instagram, same in Facebook, same in YouTube shorts. So it's not like we need to make a extra content, just one video everywhere.
So where do you create your original video? Do you create it on TikTok first, or where do you create them?
Yeah, I created on TikTok.
Okay, so do you create it on TikTok and then do you upload it to Instagram, YouTube Shorts, Facebook right away, or do you wait a few days?
No, straight away I do, because if I will not, I will forget the things, like this platform is left. So straight away I post everywhere. Okay, got it. And for Facebook, are you posting as a Facebook reel or like a regular Facebook post or a story? Now it's a reel. Yeah, I'm curious, how's that working for you? Because I saw Facebook starting to do the reels as well, and I started testing myself. It seemed like it was doing okay. I haven't tested too much, but is it working well for you? Yeah, it's working now. Recently videos, it's gone more than 1K also. So yeah, slowly it's gonna work. Yeah, so that's actually a really big thing, guys. Right now, Facebook started rolling out the Reels feature as well. So yeah, I'm providing the Zoom sessions also. So what I am teaching on the Zoom session, so it's like providing Zoom session, providing basics of affiliate marketing. So yeah, whatever I am having knowledge, I try to give in the Zoom sessions. So it's all about the beginning, how we can start, how we can use the TikTok, how we can use the social media. So yeah, this is all about like I'm doing this step by step, whatever I'm posting, whatever I'm doing, how I am making online money. So all the tips I'm doing in the Zoom session, I don't treat them as a client. client. So it's like a good relationship. So once we made with a good relationship on the call, we started calling each other and explaining. So that means the other person is also comfortable on the call.
Real quick on the Zoom, is this before you close them on a high ticket or is it before?
Nah, it's after high ticket, not before. So yeah, this is the like my belief or my things. I think everyone, this is the last not least. So yeah, whatever you are doing, just believe in yourself. If you jump in the boat, just trust it. So stay positive, just ignore the negativities. Stay focused, whatever you are planned, stay focused with that one. Just make sure your daily task is done. If that is not done, you can't sleep, you need to finish your task. So trust the process. Once you are doing this all these things, just trust it and just follow all the steps whatever it's mentioned in the Freedom Breakthrough 2.0, that will help you to grow. That's all I can say about myself and my how I am helping others and how I am making 5 figures.
So you're creating content on all these platforms. Where are you directing people to? Are you directing them to a Zoom call to get on with you so you can close the sale? How are you closing the high ticket? I'm curious on how you do that.
I got the inquiries on the TikTok, Instagram, Facebook. I tell them like drop their number. So I don't chat. It take too much time. If the people or the person will be serious, they're gonna drop the contact number. So once they drop the contact number, we fix the time. So according to their country or my country, whatever time is. So yeah, we make a quick call. I explain them how the system gonna work, what's the process, and this is the fees we need to like do this stuff, and what will be the commissions. And it's not only the one thing. As I mentioned in Freedom Breakthrough 2.0, we have a lot of things where we can make money. It's not only one thing.
So Michaela asks, are you providing them as a bonus because they joined through you, or do you have a private group where you invite people there just to share your knowledge there and try to convert them?
Yeah, that's a bonus. Like they are investing money, they need actual help. If someone want to join from me, that means they are trusting me, and until they will not get a high ticket sale, I'm gonna help them. So this is my main thing, like to give these strategies to do this thing.
Oja, I have a 2-year-old, so really curious, how does your routine look like for you?
It's really messy when we are like a whole day with the little one. It's really hard. It's not easy. So once I'm on the calls or I'm doing stuff, she is running around me. So it's normal, like we do breakfast and after that I plan the calls if I am having. Then I she is playing and I am creating content, and then it's lunchtime almost, then I'm doing this thing. When she is sleeping, it's nap time. That's my best time. I do all these stuffs.
Let's see. So this from Isa. Are you relying on the funnels to do the initial sale, or using DM conversions to close the sale? So I think what he's asking is like, are you sending him to like the 3-day challenge and then getting on a call, or are you sending him straight to a call? That's a great question.
Mostly my videos are like a link in bio or DM me. We all post like this. So mostly people DM me.
Here's one from Ball Singh. How do you get trust of people that they should only buy it from you, not from someone else? People will buy from people because of their bonuses, right? Like yesterday's training, he was like, sell me this pen, right? Well, this is a commodity, right? Like everyone has pens they can buy from, or like everyone can buy a pen. But the thing that separates you from someone else is the offer. So Mandeep, her offer may be, she mentioned, I'm going to work with you until you get your first high ticket sale. So that's a good offer, right? So it's figuring out that offer for you specifically. Let's see here. This one's from Nadia. How long does it take you to close a high ticket sale?
Yeah, it was, I think 45 days, 1.5 months it was for me.
How to join and learn basics and how to join 2.0, total money we need. So I'll answer this. So the full program is $14.97. We do have a bonus that goes with that. Basically, I'll just throw the link up here. Jonathan Montoya Live, Freedom Go. Let me see. Yes, I'm getting enough inquiries every day, but struggling to convert into customers. May I know if there's a tip that will help me? So that's a good question.
I will say, like when I started, even now also, it's 12 days only. I talk on the call, I think more than 100 people. Everyone not gonna be joined. What is helping me? Once people are talking with you, you are getting the traffic. they're gonna watch you, they're gonna watch your profile, they're gonna see your status each and every day, and the people you talk with them, they're gonna come to you again because they want to observe you. Are you still doing what are you doing every day? Oh, okay, I need to do this thing. If I'm doing, they need to same thing, so they are observing you, but definitely they're gonna come to you again.
Awesome, guys. Well, thank you so much for everyone being on this live. Thank you, Mandeep, for getting on.
Thank you so much for having beautiful comments. Hope I answer everyone. So just yeah, go for it and try to build every day new things, learn every day. And that's all. Thank you. Thank you so much.
We'll see you guys. Thank you so much. God bless.